Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG network error login failed issue. If you're going through PUBG network error while trying to log into your PUBG account, then here are some fixes you could try out. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix your PUBG network error login issue, the first thing to do is to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're not connected to an internet, you won't be able to log into your PUBG account, so make sure that you are. Turn on your Wi-Fi, or in some cases, you can simply turn it off for some seconds and turn it on back again. Go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi network in the pop-up, and once you're connected to an internet, go and tap open your PUBG application and try logging into your account. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to change your device's region. Try installing a VPN and connect to a VPN, choosing a different region, and once you are done, try opening up your PUBG application and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your PUBG application. Open up your Play Store, search for PUBG in the search box. Once you search for your PUBG mobile game, check if there is any update available for the application. If there is, tap on the update button and download the latest version of PUBG application on your mobile device. And once you are done updating, tap on the play button and launch open PUBG application. Try logging into your account again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try whenever your PUBG is showing network error issue while logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.